welcome Fancy family. Guys, I'm at work and I'm gonna do a quick bread here for my client. So I'm just filming this quick video for you guys. Yeah guys, she had this lonely banana here that about to be thrown out, and instead of throwing it out, I decided to make her a whole wheat peanut butter banana bread, guys. So just stay tuned guys and enjoy the video. Watch me bake this bread for her. She's gonna use this as a snack, guys. This is more like a cakey texture banana bread, guys. That's how she like her banana bread and so forth. So yeah guys, I'm here utilizing what she have. This is sweet milk. We normally put it in this container when we open it instead of leaving it in the fridge in the can. So I'm putting some of that, the banana, and I'm going to actually use whole wheat flour and so forth and so forth. So guys, just watch and see what I do, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Love you guys, miss you guys. I know I haven't posted in a bit, well, a couple days. So this was a great opportunity to show you guys that to do this quick dessert for her. So yeah guys, so enjoy. See you guys in the next one. Yay!
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears,
Yes, Vincy fam, here is the finished bread. No, guys, this bread was bomb.com. As always, this bread was bomb.com. Patient love it. She couldn't even wait for it to cool. She asked for some, and after the slice that I gave her, she asked for more. No, guys, so thankful that she's pleased and she have this that she could have throughout the week. Yeah, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.